This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by activating the connectivity layers that Nearby Share needs. Turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and enable location services so Discovery works. Next, open Settings, choose Google, then Device Connections and Nearby Share. This is where you toggle the feature on. Set visibility to everyone or contacts depending on who should send files. Once done, your device advertises itself and is ready to accept incoming transfers. Make sure Battery Saver is off so background discovery remains active during. When someone nearby sends a file, you'll see a notification or prompt labeled Nearby Share. Tap Accept to begin and decide where to save the item, your Photos, Files app, or open it directly in another app. If the sender requests visibility confirmation, verify the device name before accepting. Make sure you grant any requested permissions such as storage access so the file can be saved. Once the transfer starts, watch the progress indicator. Transfers typically use a fast local connection, so they finish quickly. After the transfer finishes, locate the file in the destination app and confirm it opened correctly. If it's a photo or document, check for full resolution or intact content. If the transfer failed, first toggle Nearby Share off and on and retry with both devices within a few feet. Intermittent Bluetooth or Wi-Fi issues often resolve quickly. As a key troubleshooting tip, restart Bluetooth or reboot one or both devices to clear stale connections. This fixes most visibility and handshake problems so you can complete the share.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.